Na-try niyo na bang uminom ng 1 liter of milk tea? Well, dito sa Kowloon House, yan ang ino-offer nila and at an affordable price. So, let's check it out. So, nandito nga ako sa Kowloon House sa Don Antonio branch and nabalitaan kong may ino-offer silang milk tea for less than 100 and 1 liter na yon. So, na-curious ako kaya nag-decide akong bumili ng milk tea nila. It's available in 3 sizes, medium, large, and 1 liter. So, ang best sellers nila dito ay ang classic milk tea and winter melon milk tea flavors. And I've decided to order the winter melon flavor. By the way, pwede mo ring timplahin dito yung tamis ng milk tea mo. So, pwedeng 100% sugar, pwedeng 75% or 50% if ayaw mo ng masyadong matamis. Aside sa milk teas, meron din sila mga ino-offer na siomai, siopaw, and other delicacies. So, ito na nga yung in-order ko, medium and 1 liter of milk tea, which is winter melon flavors. So, yan ang difference ng sizes nila. So, yung nasa right, yung 1 liter, and yung nasa kaliwa is yung large nila. Na-excite nga akong itry itong milk tea na to kasi marami akong good reviews na nababasa about this brand. It doesn't look as fancy as the other milk teas na natry ko, but sa taste na tayo magkakaalaman. So, try na natin guys. Cheers! Syempre, need mo nang haluin ng konti para magpantay yung flavors and hindi matabang. So, first sip. So, masarap siya and I find it very refreshing. Actually, di ko binago yung sugar level. So, it's still 100% sugar. Since gusto kong matikman yung talagang flavors, original flavors niya. So, approved sa akin tong milk tea na to. And I think magiging isa sa mga favorites ko. So, ako ang uminom nung large size and kay mother and father yung 1 liter. So, nag-share na sila dun. And yan nga yung tapioca pearls niya. Nagustuhan ko rin yung tapioca pearls niya. Kasi chewy yung consistency niya and tama lang yung tamis. If you're craving for delicious milk tea, approve sa akin tong Boba Milk Tea by Kowloon House. So, I give it a rating of 9 out of 10. Aside from the taste na masarap, affordable, and sulit talaga since yung size niya, very affordable na yon, less than 100, makakabili ka na ng 1 liter of milk tea and pwede na mag-share ang 2 tao dun. I hope you like my review and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.